So in the overnight session, the market tested and found sellers above yesterday's high, and since then, the sell side has been more dominant. And now heading into the open, our short-term and intermediate-term bias is going to continue to be neutral, and the main question is going to be whether buyers can now hold ES above the 2490 to 2500 initial support or the 25.24.5 to 29.5 pre-market support. As long as buyers can still hold ES above even the initial support zone, there would still be potential for the market to balance above 2490 to 2500. So right now, yesterday's intraday balance breakout has already failed and the sell side is more dominant, so we are going to have to be more careful on the long side here. And then on the upside, we have resistance at 25.55 half. We have the high for March 25th at 60.75, followed by the pre-market resistance zone at 25.63 to 73, where sellers can be active on first test. And then above that, we have the previous VPOC at 85 and the initial resistance zone at 25.91 to 26.02, where sellers can be active on first test. And then beyond that, we have yesterday's high and the overnight high at 26.23 half to 34 half, where again, sellers can be active. And in order for the market to put in any kind of significant breakout beyond the initial resistance zone, and especially beyond 26.23 half to 34 half, we would need to see broad market strength and sustained upside momentum. So in the event that the market stabilizes and eventually starts to head back up towards yesterday's high or the overnight high and beyond, as it pushes higher, it's going to be running into better areas of resistance where sellers are more likely to be active. And then we also have to keep in mind that the bigger picture bias is still bearish, and then today is Friday and we're heading into the weekend, and it's questionable whether anyone's really going to want to hold a long position from higher prices over the weekend. So there is that weekend risk at these resistance areas as well.